rupees into
Good
paisa.
morning, ma'am.
Okay, good morning, good
Convert
morning.
paisa into rupees.
Let everyone join. I will explain the topics again. Let
Ma'am, I
everyone join.
doubt.
Tej Kumar, I have understood, Bacha. I have understood what where you have a doubt. Once everyone will join, I will revise the topics which we have done yesterday. Okay now? Okay, Tej Kumar?
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone join the class first. Turn on your camera. Okay, now I'll start the class and do the revision what we have done in the last class. Our first question was in the last class that convert rupees into paisa. Convert, sorry, it's not okay. Convert rupees into paisa. Now there will be the two situation comes in converting. Am I audible to you all clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. To write this.
No. This is the revision of yesterday's class. So no need to write, just listen and understand. There are the two situation comes convert rupees into paisa. For example, if you only get the rupees, 8 rupees, convert them into the paisa. 8 multiplied by 100. When you are converting rupees into paisa, you always multiply it by the 100. So it will be 800. Got it? 800 what? 800 what? Rajiv Lahoti? Rajiv Lahoti 800 what now? Viva 800 what?
Paisa.
Kaise? Rajiv Lahoti, I want the active students. I don't want sleeping students in my class. Even if you don't know, give me wrong answer or give me something. Don't sit simply quiet. So rupees 8, when you are converting into the paisa, always multiply it by 100. You will get the 800 paisa. But sometimes the situation comes where you have rupees also and where you have paisa also. Because when decimal is there, it's understood that this is paisa. Now, if 7 rupees 25 paisa, how to convert them into the paisa? This was the first situation, Vedant.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This was like
So what you will do, you need to convert the rupees which is before the decimal. 7 multiplied by 100 you will do. This is 700. Paisa is already in paisa which is 25 added. This will become 725 paisa. So write the paisa also at the back. And yesterday I have told you one direct method also. Then when you are converting rupees into the paisa, right? When you have a decimal also, remove the rupee sign, remove the decimal, 725 paisa is the direct answer.
ma'am, you got my worksheet.
My dear, I need to check. I will check on Saturday, Sunday. Then I will revert you. If I will not receive any of the worksheet, I will send them the personal message. Please check your messages if you are not sending your work. So
No, ma'am.
every time expect that the checking work will come to you Saturday, Sunday. Got it, everyone?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Vedant.
No, ma'am. We have to do like this. It's like 7 multiplied by 100. 700.
Why
Then
you are doing 7 multiplied by 100? Because 7 is the rupees. And when you are converting rupees into the paisa, always multiply by the 100. Okay, 1 rupee 100 paisa, 2 rupee 200 paisa, 3 rupee 300 paisa, 7 rupee 700 paisa, 25 rupees 2500 paisa. Got it?
okay, ma'am.
35 rupees
Then we
always, yeah.
Then we get 700. Then we plus the paisa.
Yeah, because this 7 rupees you have converted into the paisa, and 25 is already in paisa, so add it. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. I got the. I was confused in decimal only.
Yeah. Now, next situation. Now, next situation is paisa into rupees. What you do when you have paisa? For example, you have 300 paisa. How you will convert it into the? If you know the answer, raise your virtual hand. How you will convert the 300 paisa into the rupees? Yes, Granth.
Divided.
Divided by
100.
100. So when you divide 300 by 100, what will be the answer?
3.
Rupees 3. Yes. So paisa converted into the rupees, always divided by 100. So you will get the 3 rupees. Can anyone give me the example of converting paisa into rupees? Raise your virtual hand. Give me your digits. Yes, Tej Kumar.
Ma'am, 65,000 paisa.
65,000. Okay. Yes,
Ma'am,
65.
65,000 paisa. So we will do divide. So we will first cut. We will first do divide. So we will take 65 divided by 100.
क्यों 65 को क्यों डिवाइड करेंगे बाय 100? 65,000 को ही डिवाइड करेंगे ना 100 से. 65,000 ही डिवाइड होगा ना 100 से. When any number divided by 100 and the number which is having zeros, so 20, remove the 2 zeros from the back. So what will be the answer?
6,650.
650 what? It's paisa or rupees?
Rupees.
Yes. Got it, Tej Kumar?
Yes.
Can anyone give me the example? Raise your virtual hand of converting rupees into the paisa. Yes, Manya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 256 paisa.
256 paisa.
Yes.
How many rupees and how many paisa in this? Divided by 100 you will do.
256 divided by 100. Now we will put the point, means decimal, after 2.
Ones, tens. So we will put the decimal here after 2 digits and we write the 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, and we write which symbol here?
Rupees.
So now it is, what is your answer?
256.
2 rupees 56
56
paisa.
paisa.
We will read it as paisa, but we will not write paisa at the back because we are already putting the decimal here. We will read it as paisa. Wait a minute. Raise your virtual and if any query, any doubt, don't speak in between. When you are putting the decimal, you will say the paisa, the numbers which are written after the decimal, but you will not write the paisa at the back because you already putting the decimal here. Got it? So it is, what is your answer? 2 rupees 56 paise.
And ma'am, if I give the answer, not the answer, question with 200, so we will do 200 divided by 100. So what will be the answer? 2, right?
Yes. So there is no in rupees क्योंकि 0 आ रहा है. Nothing is in paisa, sorry. है ना? Got it, Manya?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, Moksh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rajvi Lahoti, I understood. Yes, Moksh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I take 599 paisa.
Hmm.
Now we will divide it by 100.
Yes.
So our answer will be 5, then decimal,
Hmm.
then 99 paisa.
Yes. So you will read it as 5 rupees
Rupees
99
99
paisa.
paisa. And ma'am, can I ask? Ma'am, I want to
Yes.
ask a question.
Yes. Yes, Manya. Ask, then Aradhya, I will give you chance. Yes,
Yes,
Manya.
ma'am. If it is 3 digit only, right? Two
Hmm.
digit, the paisa in the question is 2 digit, 29, suppose.
Hmm.
So then we will put the decimal after 2.
No.
So,
Yes, you have to do here only. Before 2. Before 2. So it is only 29 paisa. No, nothing is in rupees. So the answer will be like this.
okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Because when you are dividing 29 paisa with the 100, 100 is having two zeros. So from the back, you will put a decimal here. So nothing is here in the rupees. So we write 0 here. So it is
Okay,
only
ma'am.
29 paisa. You can
And
write
ma'am,
in
in
this way
3
also.
digit number,
Yeah.
we we just put the decimal before after 1 digit only.
No, in 3 digit also you need to count the 2 digits from the back, because when you are dividing any division में हमने किया था, if we divide any number, the number which is having zeros, so we directly can count. आप divide long division से भी check कर सकते हो उसको. 100 threes are 300, 39 will come. Then you need to put a decimal here. Then you put the zero here. 100 threes are 300. Then you put a 90, and then 100 nines are 900. It will so on go. But as I have already explained you with the direct method also, mute yourself. Someone mic is on. Manya, mute your mic.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Let me explain this, then you ask your question.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, it is very small, ma'am.
No, I will give your answer, but I will explain this first and then. Okay, bachcha?
Ma'am, we have to write in notebook. Ma'am,
No.
may I stay?
Manya, you understood this? When
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
dividing any number which is having zeros, so from the back you count the 2 digit and put a decimal. It will be like this.
Okay, ma'am. If it is 4 digits, so also we need to count.
Also you need to count that, because आप तो इसकी दो zeros count कर रहे हैं और decimal put.
आगे जितने भी नंबर होंगे वही.
वो as it is रहेंगे.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
अगर ये 5 digit भी होता है, 1 2 3 4 5 digit, but your decimal will come here only after the 2 digits, and the remaining digits will remain as it is.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
Yes, now Vedant, you ask.
Ma'am, can I do the yesterday's worksheet now?
No, you can do at home and ask me if any doubt in the next class. Yes, Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am. Triple nine.
Your voice is not coming, Aradhya. Yes, Tesh Kumar, ask your out.
Ma'am, that decimal is count in paisa. That we put decimal, so why we say paisa? Why we say paisa?
See, if it is like this, 5 rupees 39. When we are putting decimal, we don't write the paisa at the back, but we read it as paisa, 5 rupees 39 paisa. क्योंकि decimal itself shows us कि decimal के बाद जो है वो पैसा है.
Okay.
Okay, Aradhya, please check your network. Then I will come back to you again. So now, children, today we are going to do the new topic. Open your notebooks. As you know that I have started the topic money. In that money, first we have learned the basic concept related with the money. Then we have learned the conversion of money. Now we what else we can do with the money? और क्या कर सकते हैं हम money के साथ? Can anyone tell me?
Ma'am, addition
Very good.
and
What?
subtraction.
Very good. Excellent. So in your syllabus, only addition and subtraction is there, but we can do multiplication also. We can do division also with the money, right? Sometime in your piggy bank, you have 100 rupees. Your father gave you 200 rupees more. So how much total is in your piggy bank now?
300.
So which operation I applied here with the money?
Ma'am,
Plus.
addition.
Addition. Suppose you are going to the market, your mama gave you 300 rupees. Your mama gave you 400 rupees and you are spending 250 rupees in the market. How much money you are bringing it back to and giving your mother?
250. Ma'am, 150.
Your mother gave you 400 rupees to go and do shopping, and now you have spent 250 rupees. How much money is left with you?
Ma'am, 150. 150 rupees.
150. So the two operation we are doing addition and subtraction. In your syllabus, only addition and subtraction is there. In next classes, you will learn multiplication and division also with the money, right? So first, I will start with addition of money. Here, right now, we have already only did the examples with the addition and subtraction of rupees, but you will get the paisa also sometime. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we will do addition. Write the topic addition of money.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have not done yesterday's worksheet, so where I should write this.
What? What? Can you repeat it again?
I didn't write yesterday's worksheet, so
Huh?
where I write this.
You do one thing. Do your today's work at the running page. No problem. After completing your today's work, then you can do the yesterday's work.
Ma'am,
Don't leave the pages, otherwise you will get confused how many pages you need to leave. So first do today's work and then you can do yesterday's work.
okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Wait a minute. I will give you the sums to write. Can anyone give me the digit?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Niva.
You write the date wrong. It's 11/8 to 20.
Sorry. Thank you. I just jumped 1 month. Okay. Addition of money. Can anyone give me the digits in rupees and in paisa? Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Vishruth. Please give me.
Yes, ma'am. 25 rupees.
Can you give me 3 digit better so that you can now learn
Ma'am,
more?
rupees or paisa?
Rupees to 3 digit. Paisa it is compulsory. Only 2 digits will come.
Okay, ma'am. 3 digit is 350.
350
Yes.
and paisa.
Ma'am, 50.
50 paisa. Okay. Suchi Mali. Suchi Mali. Suchi Mali.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, students, you need to write this. Suchi Mali, give me digits in rupees and paisa because I need to add them. Never pay attention, this girl. Suchi, I have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
move to the other child. Please write it in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
You never pay attention in the class. Rajvi Lahoti, please stable your camera. Jiga Singh, give me rupees and paisa.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 250 paisa.
250 paisa first I will write, or first I will write rupees.
Rupees 250 rupees
Okay.
and 20 paisa.
You can take, yeah, now here you can tell me 75 paisa, 80 paisa, 90 paisa, any paisa. Then I will explain you what to do. Suppose if I take 75 paisa here, mute yourself now. Everyone, please write along with me. Danya, turn on your camera. Rajvi Nakre, Nishwa, turn on your camera, please.
Ma'am, we have to make that means line.
Yes, yes, because you need to separate the rupees and paisa column separately. Now, children, please pay attention here. 0 plus 5 is what? Granth, what is 0 plus 5?
5.
Dhyan Patel, what is 5 plus 7?
12.
12. So, should I write 12 here? Dhyan Patel only will tell me. Yes or no? Dhyan Patel, please answer me. Yes or no?
1 will come in 0 and 2 will come here.
Yes. Why? Can you explain me why?
Because we have to write like that.
But why? लिखते तो हैं हम ऐसे ही, पर ऐसा क्यों लिखते हैं?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Tej Kumar. Why
Ma'am,
we don't have to write 125 here?
Because in paisa only there are 2 numbers. In rupees
Ma'am.
1 there will be 3 or 4.
But
Ma'am, can
why
I say?
only 2? Yes,
I
Neha.
can say.
Ma'am, because
Raise
there
your
is
hand.
when we are when we plus we have 2 numbers at the end, so we carry over. If there's number at beside, if there's no number beside that number, so we write it down.
But why? Why cannot? I'm not still getting. Manya, can you try and tell me?
Yes,
Why
ma'am.
we are not writing the 3 digits?
Ma'am, because we can't take paisa into rupees.
We can't take.
Yes.
Why?
Means that you have written 3 digit in the paisa, right?
Yes.
So we can't carry over it.
We can't carry over, or we can carry over.
We can't carry over because so if we carry over, we need to go to rupees. So
Yeah. Yes.
paisa and rupees cannot be merged.
It can be. It can be. So now I will explain you. Please listen it very, very carefully, everyone. If your paisa is more than 99 paisa, means if it is 100 paisa, if it is more than 99 paisa, if it is coming, then it will convert it into the rupees. So from here, it is 125 paisa. So we can say here 1 rupee 25 paisa. Yes or no?
No.
Why no? 125 paisa is the 1 rupee 25 paisa. 100 paisa. Yes, Vedant.
Ma'am, we have 100. We borrow because over 99 it will become 1 rupee.
Yes. When it is more than 99, it will become 1 rupee and then it will go to add in the rupee side. Why we put it in the paisa then? So this 100 will go from here and added into the rupees as a 1 rupee. That is why we only have 2 digits in the paisa column. If we have 3 digits, then we carry forward. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So the 1 plus here is 0, 1. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 and then it is 6. This will be your answer. Do it fast.
Ma'am, my is right.
Please do it fast. Yes.
Ma'am, I've done now only. It is right.
Yes.
602 rupees and 25 paise.
602 rupees.
601.
601 rupee and 25 paisa.
Ma'am, we have to make the decimal.
No, if we are making this line, it's understood that before the line, this is rupees and this is paisa.
Okay.
Ma'am,
If you want to write the decimal, then you can write the decimal here also, here also, here also, and then don't separate it from the up. Yeah, write rupees here, write paisa, it's up to you. And when you are separating with the line, it's understood that this side, and you are giving them the heading rupees and paisa column. So this is rupees column, this is paisa column. Do it fast. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can anyone give me one sum based on the subtraction?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Vedant.
Ma'am, can I guess?
Now put the heading. No, leave one page. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Don't leave. First, we do few sums based on addition only. Then we move to the. I'm going to present my screen. Two more sums we will do based on the addition. Then we move to the subtraction. Is my screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute.
Yes.
See, as Manya was asking, no, ma'am, we can put the decimal. Yes, Manya?
Yes, ma'am.
So we can put the decimal also, and if we are making the line, we can do in this way. See this 7.25 plus 5.40. So it will be this. So these are the two sums based on addition. If you want to do in this way, you can do in this way. If you want to do divide the line, you can divide the line and write.
Ma'am, we have to write in notebook.
Yes, please do these two sums in your notebook. Lot of disturbance is coming, Suchi, from your side. Every day this is the problem. Should I talk to your parents? Every day this is the problem, that you sit in a crowded place and you disturb to others also when I tell you to turn on your mic. Please, yes, please start writing, students.
And these two sums.
Yes, these two sums write down in your notebook.
Ma'am, can you show the screen?
Yes. Wait a minute. Is the screen visible?
Yes.
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 Okay, please write.
Ma'am, these right side one, that right side one, it is paisa rupees.
Yes.
And we have to write we get some.
No, it's up to you.
Okay.
As you all know, the sum is the addition, the answer which you are getting after the addition. So it's up to you. If you want to write, you can write. Otherwise, there is no compulsory.
Ma'am, can you show the screen?
Yeah. And do it fast, because we need to do the subtraction also. Children, today I am going to send you the Google form based on the addition and subtraction of money. In there, you will get the two options, which is the right. In Google form, you need to tick the right answer. But how to take the right answer? So solve it in your notebook and then take the right answer. Am I clear to you all?
Yes.
Without solving, you cannot take the answer in the Google form. I want everyone solve the sums which are there in the Google form in the notebook first.
Ma'am, it is of addition or subtraction?
Both, because I will cover the subtraction also today.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Ma'am,
please.
today I'm going out, so I can do it in any rough book also, not the answer.
Why?
Because I'm going out.
If you want to write it better, you take the notebook.
But I'm going out. I can't take because there is so it will
So
be.
विहान दोबरी आपके पास रफ नोटबुक कहाँ से आएगी? वो भी तो आपको लेके जानी
I
पड़ेगी ना?
mean, in the where I'm going, there is rough books so many.
No, better. I want it in your notebooks, my dear.
Okay.
Please do fast or note down the sums. You can do later on also. Do fast, students.
Addition sums are done, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone completed the addition sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I move to the subtraction now?
Yes, ma'am. You
Okay,
can.
I will move to the subtraction now. See, you can see the sums here on my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. But
Okay.
it is light.
Yes.
You can
Okay.
move a little bit forward.
It is little bit light color, right?
Yes. Now it is dark.
Subtract. Now please mute yourself and let me explain you. Which child is a singer in my class?
Grant.
Can leave my class and join the singing class, please. Subtract rupees 44 minus 25 from 68.75. So always remember when you are subtracting, you need to write the bigger number first, right?
Then we have to write subtraction.
Yes, subtraction of money. So here the big number is 68.75 will come first and 44.25 will come, and then you will subtract it. Always remember, I'm telling you, because when you go in higher grades, you will learn that you are subtracting from small number also the big number. But you are in a primary grade, so you will only learn how to subtract the bigger number from small number from the bigger number. So always remember the bigger number will come first and the small number will come next. So when you subtract 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 2 is 5, 8 minus 4 is 4, and 6 minus 4 is 2. So
Ma'am, we have to write
Yes,
question
please
number
write.
2 and write.
Yeah. No, not question number 2. You will write this is question number 3, right? Because
Yes, ma'am. But in subtraction, it is
it's a
first
1.
one.
Yeah, in subtraction, when you are giving the subtraction heading, so this is the first sum. Got it, Manya? Now next sum is, the second sum in subtraction is 36.50 from 98.00. So nothing is paisa with the 98. So we write 00. Now 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5 is not possible. So we borrow 1 from here and it will become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 8 will become 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. 9 minus 3 is 6. Simple subtraction है, simple borrowing है. Just take a note of a decimal. Got it, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
Please copy it down in your notebook fast. Please copy it down in your notebook, students. Are you all doing? Because
Yes.
when I present the screen, I will not able to see you all.
I'm done.
Very good if you have done. Please come prepared tomorrow. I will, whenever is your next class, I will ask the sums based on addition and subtraction. And I will ask the story. Mute yourself. And I will ask the story sums also in addition and subtraction. So you all have to make the stories and tell me. So please come prepare in the next class. Write fast.
Ma'am,
1 minute is left, so please complete it fast.
ma'am, complete.
Or write down the sum and you can do it later on also. Please write. Mute your mic, please. Done, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone completed?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm again presenting. Do it fast.
Ma'am, may I drink water?
Yes, please. So can I stop the presentation, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, students, for today's class. Please complete the Google form and send it to me.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye
Bye,
bye.
ma'am.
Bye bye.
Ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.